was very doubtful. I wanted to try Urbanic cloth, but I was very doubtful about the quality and the site, return procedure, return, and everything. So I tried out Urbanic cloth and I did shopping for the first time. So let us check how was my experience for the first time. For looking for something, as winter is there, I wanted to have one jacket. So from Urbanic, I ordered one jacket, which was leather jacket, and it was shown over there as it was written as Simplicity Fox leather jacket. Okay, so it was available in different colors, but most of the colors were not available at the time of buying. So I opted for black color, and it was 1512 at the price available at the time I have seen. So I thought of giving it a try and ordered this jacket from Urbanic. So as I was using the site for the first time, I had got one coupon discount, and total the price that costed me was 1111. That means 1111 rupees. So I did cash on delivery order for the first time. For this order, I have opted for COD because it was a fast delivery. So I got it in 5 days or 4 days. I don't remember clearly, and I got it. So the delivery time was fast enough because it was a fast delivery, but you can expect around 2 weeks delivery. That is a normal, they have even written on the site. So you need to have patience while ordering from Urbanic. Okay, so the delivery time was good. I was happy. Then after receiving the product, as it was shown, the quality I got was not very much satisfied, and even though the price was very less, but I didn't like the quality, so I thought of returning it. So on the same day, in the morning, I had received this Urbanic packet, and in the evening I thought of procedure for Urbanic altogether. So first you need to go to refunds and returns. Then there is request return. For the order you want to return it, there you have to request a return. After you have requested return, you have to wait for a couple of hours, and it will be while you are requesting return, you have to put the image. So the image should have to be right, like you have to put the image with the sticker and with the original packaging, so they will review it, and they may reject your request as well if you have not put it appropriate or good picture. So you need to put a good image really. Then after it will, once you have fulfilled the details, tags, and then the request gets under review. So if you have fulfilled all the options rightly, then it will went under review. So it will get a couple of hours, and it will show you under review. Your request is under review. Then after a couple of hours, my status changed to approved. Then it was approved. That means they had approved the request of my product to be returned, as I have not used it and the packaging and tags were available. Once it is approved, the next day the delivery guy came for the pickup, and the status changed to pickup is successful, and the status was pickup was successful, and return will be initiated and after the review. So once the delivery guy had taken the product from me, it has taken around 48 hours, and the status was till 48 hours it was that the refund will be initiated after the review process. So I waited for 2 days. I was very much doubtful that if they will refund my amount or not, as I have seen a couple of videos and reviews on the internet, and they were not very good about return procedure about Urbanic. So I was a little bit scared, but there was no option, so I waited. So after 2 days, I suddenly got the message that I have received my refund amount. So overall it was a very good experience because the product delivered very fast. Even I have got my refund amount within 48 hours, and I got the amount. So the doubts was my experience. Let me know your experience, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section.